More about intro-N.E.R.Ds by N.T. Sebas. Symptoms of intro-N.E.R.D include obsessive-compulsive disorder, logic obsession. An individual intro-N.E.R.D was found to be driven only by intellectual stimulation and personal ideals of logic, the equilibrium of obsessive-compulsive disorder. The absence of one or both of these resulted in an apathetic state. The intro-N.E.R.D's mind works in strong disciplines of mathematical likeness, applied to his everyday life and activities. General interactions and communication are psychologically weighed by the relays of exchanged words, being static or effortless, and their impacts. The impact of a static interaction resulted in a state of discomfort and the obsession to correct. And an effortless interaction resulted in heightened satisfaction and craving for more. The mind of an intro-N.E.R.D is also obsessed with the micromanagement of shared chemistry when interacting with others. A mandate of his stimulation with an extreme discipline, which must be fully satisfied in order to attract his emotion of excitement. Thus, in sex, the intro-N.E.R.D is deemed unique. Erection is achieved in a normal sense of the subject of sex, wherein, rigidity begins with the intent of sex and is aided with the consensual compliance of his sexual partner. An intro-N.E.R.D can independently maintain up to 80% penile erection, without the activation of his unique persona, and fully satisfy his partner sexually. However, his satisfaction radar, in this setting, shows very low and results to mental exhaustion and sometimes physical strain. This conclusion is copyrighted for N.T. Sebas 2025. For more context, read N.E.R.D Neuroejaculatory Restrictive Disorder on Amazon Kindle.